What is up? Farmer Brooke here. I am going to share today. You're in for a treat. I've got a lot of stuff that's ready to be cleaned out, so I've been busy. I'm harvesting that cauliflower today. Maybe a little bit, thin out a little bit of that kale. I will be filling up these beds today, and we will have these with greens and everything soon. Then the tomatoes are continuing to go crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these. Looks like they're not, I mean, they're definitely flowering, but it doesn't, I'm not sure if they're budding or being fertilized. So I don't know. I have a lot of new tomatoes popped. Look at these peas. Look at these peas. Those look great, don't they? Absolutely. Here's the herb garden. It's crazy. Spinach, basil, garlic, the dill. Look at the stalk on that dill. It's crazy. And it looks like this garlic in here is going okay. Look at those big stalks. But some I'm not so sure about. So I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how the garlic does in the aquaponic beds. It's an experiment. And we got that over there. That's another experiment. I still have got to do something with this oregano. I don't know what I'm doing with this dill. But it looks good. The fish tank is at the right pH. So let me get to work in here, but before I do, I have got to share the chickens. I'll probably do, maybe cut one more. Let me cut one more of those. I have plenty of seeds, so I am going to watch these chickens. Listen. Look at, nobody's over there yet. Now watch. I'm gonna close the door. Look at, they are running. I'm gonna give them all this deliciousness. Look at them. Come on, Mace. They are. They know we got something going on over here. Look at this, girls. Oh, this mama's having a hard time. She's having a hard time. So let's do this. Let me share. They love it. This girl is sick. She doesn't feel good. But she's still eating. Not getting around good at all. That huge on her stomach. They are healthy, happy, most of them. Oh, need some water right there. There we go. Hi, Mama. Hi.